When it comes to tackling precision cuts without the hassle of cords, finding the best cordless miter saw is essential. These tools combine portability, power, and accuracy, making them a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll explore the top options on the market, highlighting their features and what makes them stand out in a competitive field. Let's dive in. DEWALT 20V Max. The DEWALT 20V Max miter saw is a versatile, compact tool that's perfect for both professionals and DIYers seeking precision and portability. This cordless saw packs a punch with its efficient motor, offering 183 cuts in 2x4 pine on a single charge. It's designed for mobility with a lightweight build of just 30 pounds, making it easy to transport around the job site. The integrated cut-line cross-cut positioning system ensures accuracy without the need for adjustments, while the oversized bevel scale allows for precise bevel angle changes. Its durable design with a cam-lock miter handle enhances cutting accuracy, especially for angled cuts. This miter saw also boasts an efficient dust collection system, keeping your workspace cleaner. Ideal for both light and moderate tasks, this saw excels with a 3 to 5/8 inch crown molding capacity, making it a reliable choice for trim projects. However, it may not be suited for larger, heavy-duty tasks requiring deeper cuts, as its capacity is more limited compared to larger models. The DEWALT 20V Max miter saw shines in terms of portability, ease of use, and dependable performance, making it a great addition to your toolkit. Whether you're working on small trim jobs or cutting through 2x4s, this saw offers excellent value for the price. CRAFTSMAN VEVI20. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, budget-friendly cordless sliding miter saw, the CRAFTSMAN VEVI20 cordless sliding miter saw is a solid contender. This 7 1/4 inch saw offers a powerful 3,800 RPM motor, making light work of cutting through dimensional lumber, hardwoods, and baseboards. While it may not be the most heavy-duty option available, it excels in versatility for light to medium tasks, delivering clean, precise cuts every time. Its sliding capabilities allow for an impressive 8-inch crosscut at 90 degrees and 5.5 inches at 45 degrees. The built-in LED cut line positioning system ensures enhanced accuracy and visibility, even in dimly lit workspaces. Plus, with 9 miter detent stops, adjusting your angles for a variety of cuts becomes a seamless process. The saw also handles vertical cuts up to 3 5/8 inches for nested crown molding and baseboards, adding to its functionality. Weighing in at just 21.8 pounds, the CRAFTSMAN VEVI20 is easy to move around the job site. The included 20V Max battery offers great longevity, allowing for up to 585 cuts in MDF baseboard on a single charge. This cordless design provides the flexibility to work in various locations without needing to stay tethered to a power outlet. For homeowners, DIYers, or light construction professionals, this saw offers a perfect balance of power, portability, and precision. While it may not replace high-end models for intensive tasks, it certainly provides excellent value for those seeking reliable performance for everyday projects. MAKITA XSL06PT. This MAKITA miter saw kit is a top-tier tool for serious craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts looking for both power and precision. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, this cordless saw delivers impressive 4,400 RPM for fast and smooth cuts, making it ideal for a variety of tasks, from basic woodcutting to more demanding projects. What sets this saw apart is its advanced BL brushless motor, which runs cooler and more efficiently, extending the saw's lifespan while ensuring consistent performance. The automatic speed change feature adjusts the cutting speed and torque, making it adaptable for different materials. Its two-steel rail sliding system offers smooth, accurate cuts while reducing the overall footprint, allowing you to position the saw flush against walls without sacrificing cutting ability. This saw is designed for large, complex cuts, offering a 5 1/4 inch vertical cutting capacity and a 6 5/8 inch nested crown molding capacity. It also boasts a wide range of angles with miters from 0 degrees to 60 degrees and bevel adjustments up to 48 degrees left and right. For enhanced visibility, the built-in laser guide ensures you make precise cuts every time. Beyond performance, it's also built for convenience, with improved dust collection and an aluminum base for greater stability. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and durable miter saw that can handle demanding tasks, the MAKITA XSL06PT is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. RYOBI 18V 1+. If you're in the market for a cordless miter saw that offers solid performance without breaking the bank, this RYOBI 1+ miter saw is definitely worth considering. This compact tool packs in reliable functionality and portability, making it an excellent choice for DIYers and smaller projects. With a cutting capacity of 2x4 lumber and cross-cutting up to 4¼ inches, it's perfect for home improvement tasks or light construction work. The saw is powered by the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ battery system, which offers great versatility since it works with over 280 other RYOBI tools. While the battery and charger are sold separately, the tool's design ensures that you get maximum performance for each charge. The 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade provides clean, fast cuts, while the spindle lock makes blade changes quick and hassle-free. Durability is a highlight here too. Although it's not as heavy-duty as some larger models, the RYOBI saw handles a range of cuts and offers an adjustable 0 degrees to 45 degrees bevel and 0 degrees to 47 degrees miter angles. This flexibility allows for various cutting positions, perfect for different projects around the house. The saw includes a dust bag, blade wrench, and work clamp, adding value to your purchase. It's ideal for DIYers who need a reliable tool that won't take up too much space. The RYOBI 1+ miter saw brings great performance in a compact, easy-to-use design. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for everyday cuts, this one's a solid choice. MILWAUKEE M18. If you're looking to upgrade your carpentry or DIY workshop, the MILWAUKEE M18 miter saw kit is the perfect choice for 2025. This powerful saw brings both precision and portability to the table, making it ideal for any woodworking project. Powered by the advanced M18 Red Lithium 9.0 battery, this saw delivers up to 400 cuts per charge, ensuring that you can work longer without constant recharging. The real star of the show is the brushless motor, which runs at an impressive 4,400 RPM for quick and clean cuts. Whether you're making cross cuts, bevels, or angled cuts, the MILWAUKEE saw handles it all with ease. The dual bevel feature gives you extra flexibility, while the easy-to-use miter and bevel adjustment system ensures accuracy with every cut. Weighing in at a manageable 46 pounds, it's not the lightest option on the market, but the portability is enhanced by the ergonomic design and sturdy build. Durability is a key highlight, thanks to MILWAUKEE's reputation for making tools that last, even under tough job site conditions. For added convenience, the saw includes a dust bag to keep your workspace clean, though you can also hook it up to a vacuum for superior dust collection. With a solid 3-year warranty, the MILWAUKEE M18 miter saw kit is an investment that delivers both power and reliability for the most demanding tasks. If you're ready for top-tier performance, this saw won't disappoint.